To better understand a person's COVID-19 antibody response, the University of Texas Health Science Center at Houston is looking for Texas volunteers to participate in the Texas Cares, or Coronavirus Antibody Response Survey. Here to tell us more about the survey is Dr. Christina Mena. She is with the UT Health School of Public Health here in El Paso. Dr. Mena, thank you for joining me this afternoon.
Thank you for having me.
So tell me a little bit about what's behind this particular survey. What are you all hoping to find?
Well, as we all know, this is a novel coronavirus. There's still a lot we are learning about it. And so one of the overall goals of this study is to try to better understand why this virus impacts different subpopulations in different ways. We know that some people become infected and are asymptomatic, while others sadly suffer severe health consequences.
Now, for this particular study, you are looking for people who have had the virus and those who have tested negative, correct?
That's right. We hope whether or not you've ever been tested and whether or not you've tested positive, we hope you'll consider enrolling in the study.
And who qualifies for this study?
We're looking for people willing to join ages 5 to 80, but in particular, we're interested in enrolling children, school-age children, age 5 to 17, also education professionals, so those who are teachers, administrators, staff, patients seen at health clinics, as well as those working at health clinics. And then finally, the business community, in particular, the outward-facing businesses. So, for example, those working in retail.
For people who are interested in participating in this study, how do they go about taking part?
So participants can join online. If you Google UT Health and Texas Cares, that will take you to the website. And from there, you'll be prompted to a short informed consent form to join the study. And that's followed by a survey that takes about 5 to 10 minutes to complete, and will ask questions regarding previous symptoms or current symptoms and whether or not you've been tested for the virus. Once that is initiated, then orders are sent to our partner lab, which is Clinical Pathology Laboratories, and there's several sites in El Paso, and you'll be prompted to go to that lab for a blood draw. The blood draw is free, and then typically within 3 to 5 days, you will get your antibody results regarding that blood test. And you'll be prompted to that either through an email or a text message.
And we will have a link for people to learn how to get involved with this study on our website, kvia.com. Look for this story coming up sometime after our 4 p.m. newscast today. Dr. Christina Mena, thank you so much for joining us this afternoon.